What's up, guys? Thanks for checking us out at Riverside Hyundai. My name is Joe, and we're going to be checking out the camera system on the 2025 Tucson Limited. So I'm going to go through some of the camera settings here with you. You have the camera button right here. It'll actually pull up automatically when you put the vehicle in reverse. Camera's going to pop up. As you can, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's already letting me know that I'm too close. If I back up any further, I'm gonna end up hitting something, right? And you have surrounding views here. And just by putting the vehicle in drive, you'll end up with a front end camera as well, guys. Look at that. How cool is that? You can check all around. I'm gonna put it back in park real quick so I can show you how to access the camera another way. You have right here on your console, little camera button. And it'll show the same thing that we were just, or I was just alluding to. Pops up a little warning display there. Again, you have the front end camera right here. Rear camera. And I like to call it the bird's eye view camera here. Can look all around 360 degrees, guys. And you have your camera settings here, which these are all your safety features. Generally, I'm gonna leave them on. I like safety, guys. So we can go back here. I'll pull that back up. And so this is press the button to display camera view, press and hold to activate parking assist system. That's like I was alluding to with the settings there, guys. Again, front end camera, rear, and you have different settings here as well. From the front, aerial view from the front, side view in the front, and again, full screen view. The camera technology on this is absolutely amazing. So it was my pleasure to show you guys the camera system on the 2025 Tucson Limited. Thanks for checking us out.